Hello everyone, this is PTC channel and today we're going to see what I have two Hot Wheels. Hey, what's up? This is PTC channel and today we're going to see I buy two Hot Wheels. Tcharan guys, it's only two but ang saya ko guys at nakabili ulit tayo ng Hot Wheels at nakapag-upload ulit tayo sa aking channel. So bago kayo manood guys, huwag niyo kakalimutan mag-like and subscribe my videos and don't forget the notification. Please click the bell button guys if you see my upload. At ngayon guys, 170 subscribers na tayo. 170 subscribers na tayo. Please, subscribe pa kayo guys. Tulungan nyo ako guys, maka 1,000 subscribers. Manood lang kayo guys, at mag-subscribe guys. So yan. Yan, syempre, tingnan guys, dalawa ang nabili kong Hot Wheels. So papakita ko muna sa inyo isa-isa. At dahil dalawa lang to guys, so yan, yung nabili nating Hot Wheels na dalawa. So, let's start. Okay. So, first is yung Hot Wheels. Itong kulay dilaw, this is a 69 Dodge Coronet Super V. Guys, ang angas guys. So, grabe. Ang ganda oh. Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng gantong, nakabili ng gantong car guys. Na 69, ibig sabihin siya guys. Alam ko guys, 1969 tong car na to eh. Siya ay Musclemania 5 out of 10. Ayan o guys, kita nyo dyan yung braso. Bicep, ayan. Musclemania siya, tong cars na to guys. Nasa 5 out of 10. Guys, ang ganda oh. Yung pangalan, Dodge. Ayan, ang logo na Hot Wheels. Tas yan, sa likod. Wala naman. At sa bottom niya, wala rin guys. At the back of the card, ayun guys, binili ko pala siya sa Toys R Us, guys. Kahapon guys, binili ko to sa Toys R Us ng 129 pesos. Ayan guys, Dodge. Sa Dodge siya binili guys. Ang tatak niya, official licensed product. Ayan. I'm so happy to have this car, guys. Ayan. Guys, ang ganda oh. Kulay dilaw na kotse guys. Perfect guys. Maganda siya. Last one guys. Na Hot Wheels. So, last Hot Wheels yan guys. Ito yung 2025. Yan guys, nakalagay 2025 Hot Wheels. Ang ganda guys. So guys, tinan mo oh guys. May picture pa nung babae sa may pinto na sasakyan. Yan guys, ayan, ang pangalan yan, Kia, ayan guys, custom Kia EV6. Guys, ito guys, napakaganda guys, grabe oh. Inchik, oh, inchik pa yung basa dito guys, ayan, nasa may salamin ng kotse, sa may gitna, sa likod, ayan guys, oh. Ang ganda guys, grabe oh, yan oh. Kia EV6, tas yan guys, may alam guys, wait, Japanese word kaya to guys. Ayan, yung nasa pinto na sasakyan. Tapos yung picture ng babae. O yan o guys. O kita nyo. Apakaganda guys. Grabe. It's nasa ano. Guys. Ito yung HWEV 8 out of 10. Yan guys. 8 out of 10 siya guys. Tong car na to. Guys, napakaganda. O yan sa likod. Kia siya guys. Kia trademarks used for under license to Mattel Incorporated. Ito guys, di ko mabasa. Di ako familiar sa ganitong salita. Ayan. Dumabo tuloy guys. Ayan na guys. Solid. Ang ganda guys. So ayan, nakabili tayo. Bili rin ako nito guys. At nag-aabang pa ako guys para maghintay pa kayo ulit guys sa susunod kong upload na nakabili tayo ng laruan dito sa PTC channel. Abangan nyo guys pag nag-upload ako ng vlog episode. Gala, baka sakaling maka-upload tayo. So guys, if you like this video guys, leave a comment and like and subscribe, guys. And don't forget the notification. So bye guys. See you guys next time. Bye guys.